you tired of struggling to earn significant affiliate income online? You probably already know that you need to build a list first. And even though this is a fact, it is unfortunately easier said than done. Whatever it is, the old way of doing everything yourself, slowly growing a list, building rapport with your subscribers and converting them to buyers, well, it's simply too slow. Introducing Covert Commissions. Covert Commissions is a completely done-for-you list building and affiliate marketing system that eliminates all the frustration and hard work. You can instantly use it to start building your own profitable list, and even better, you'll be earning affiliate commissions on autopilot from day one. You are ready to start immediately with no cost. All you have to do is promote your squeeze page links, and we will do the rest. Step 1, send traffic to your squeeze page. Step 2, actually there is no step 2. Just sit back, relax, and watch as the commissions start rolling in. And it gets even better. We will continue promoting to your leads forever, always using your affiliate links. You will quickly start earning commissions on stuff you never even promoted yourself. Don't worry about driving traffic either, we've got you covered. Inside the members area, we have a full step-by-step training system showing you exactly how to drive traffic and all the promotional tools that you need to make it happen.